You've definitely heard the name Vaseline. You probably use it too. But what if I told you that this small jar of petroleum jelly can actually make you look more attractive, cleaner, and more confident? Yes. It's not just for dry lips. If you know how to use Vaseline the smart way, it can become your secret grooming weapon. It can boost your face glow, keep your lips soft, and make your overall look feel fresh and polished. People spend money on expensive creams and serums. But today I'm going to share 5 simple Vaseline hacks that are practical, easy, and perfect for every guy. Winter or summer, these tricks work all year. They don't just improve your appearance, they level up your confidence too. So make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also share one bonus Vaseline hack that can make you look noticeably better by the next morning. Let's start with the first and most important one. Lip care. Because your lips are the first thing people notice on your face. Whether you're going to college, the gym, or just talking casually to someone, dry, cracked, or pale lips can instantly ruin your look. Lips are the center of your face. When they look clean, hydrated, and soft, your entire personality feels more attractive and put together. Here's the simple trick. Before sleeping at night, apply a thin layer of Vaseline on your lips. It locks in moisture overnight, and by morning your lips feel naturally soft, smooth, and hydrated. If you want faster results, try this easy upgrade. Mix a little Vaseline with coconut oil, and gently scrub your lips using a soft toothbrush for 10-15 seconds. This removes dead skin, boosts blood circulation, and makes your lips look naturally pink and healthy, without any fancy products. Especially in winter, when lips dry out easily, this trick is a total lifesaver. And soft lips don't just look good, guys, they give off a clean, confident vibe. Now, the area where tiredness and stress show up first, under the eyes. Late night Netflix, studying till late, or lack of sleep can make your under eyes look dull, dry, and dark. And that one small detail can make your whole face look tired. The good news? Vaseline can help here too. Before sleeping, take a tiny amount on your fingertip and gently apply it under your eyes. Just a thin layer is enough. It creates a moisture barrier that locks in your skin's natural oils and protects it from dryness. Within a few days, you'll notice the difference. Your skin feels softer, looks fresher, and the darkness starts fading slightly. This works especially well in cold weather when skin tends to dry out more. A clean face doesn't feel complete without properly groomed eyebrows and eyelashes. Most guys ignore this, but honestly these small details make your face look sharper and more masculine. Take a tiny amount of Vaseline on your fingertip or a brush and lightly apply it to your eyebrows and eyelashes. 2 things happen instantly. First, your brows stay in shape and messy hairs get controlled. Second, you get a subtle healthy shine that makes your face look polished and clean. With regular use, brows feel softer and more manageable, and lashes start looking healthier too. Have you ever noticed how some people's faces naturally glow under lights or cameras? That glow doesn't always come from expensive highlighters. Sometimes it's just a smart Vaseline trick. Take a very small amount and lightly dab it on your cheekbones and nose bridge. It gives instant freshness and shine, like naturally hydrated skin. Perfect for moments when your face looks dull, like cold mornings or after long college days. Vaseline works like a natural highlighter. It reflects light and gives your skin a soft glow, without looking fake or oily. Just clean, healthy, confident energy. Now let's talk about fragrance. But before that, do subscribe to Red White Facts for more such amazing content. Let's start. Smell is powerful. It attracts people and makes you memorable. But the problem is, perfume fades after a few hours. Here's a simple Vaseline hack to make your fragrance last twice as long. Before spraying perfume, apply a small amount of Vaseline on your wrists and neck. Then spray your perfume on the same spots. Vaseline creates a moisturized base that holds fragrance molecules and releases the scent slowly throughout the day. This is perfect for college days, gym sessions, or dates, when you want to smell clean and masculine for longer. Long-lasting with this trick. Small step, big impact. Because fragrance creates both the first impression and the lasting one. Now for the bonus hack. Think Vaseline is only for lips and face? This might surprise you. At night, apply Vaseline on dry areas like elbows, heels, knees, lips, and even your nails and cuticles if you want. By morning, your skin and nails feel noticeably softer and hydrated. If your face feels dry at night, apply a pinch-sized amount around your under eyes and nose corners. It helps your skin repair overnight and gives a natural glow in the morning. One simple product, full body care. So these were 5 smart Vaseline hacks that work not just in winter, but all year round. One product, complete grooming setup. Now it's not just about watching, it's about trying. Add even 2 or 3 of these hacks to your daily routine and see the difference yourself. Cleaner skin, better appearance, next level confidence. Subscribe to the channel and comment below which Vaseline trick you found the most useful.